YouTube, saca fé. Bienvenido a mi apartamento. Estoy en Tulum, México. Es un apartamento nuevo y me siento muy lindo, bonito y grande también. Es un penthouse. Sabes que siempre, te dije, siempre trabajo muy difícil, así que este mes quiero descansar, necesito. Okay, so what's good, family? Welcome back to the channel, man. Right now I'm in Tulum, Mexico, and I want to show you guys the penthouse that I'm staying in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment down below and let me know what is your favorite place that I've stayed at, whether it's been in Colombia, whether it's been in other places I've stayed at. You guys know my story by now. I told you just 2.5 years ago, I was struggling, trying to make my business go and work, trying to help clients, train people, just trying to make something of myself, man. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna show you guys the penthouse that I'm staying in Tulum to put you guys in that type of energy, that type of vibration, so you can attract this yourself. It's very important to be able to see these type of things, put yourself inside of it so that you can manifest it yourself. This is what I used to do 2 years ago when I was dead broke. I didn't have anything. I would literally watch these videos and get inspired and motivated and meditate so that one day I could be in some place like this, man. So let me show you this nice property, man. So family, apartment again, this chambres, aquí tiene dos habitaciones. So this penthouse has 2 rooms. This is the guest room right here. Based off of the other places that I've stayed in different countries, not gonna lie, this is better than literally some master bedrooms that I've stayed in. So this guest room has a queen bed, big closet, literally floor to the ceiling. You got a big closet right there, storage space on top. It comes with a fan and it comes with air conditioning, which is big. Some places that I stayed at in Colombia didn't have AC. Even though it was cool over there, that definitely would have been nice. You know what I'm saying? So this is the guest bedroom right here. We are on the top floor. It comes with a TV, flat screen TV, shelves, you know, standard stuff, man. So this is a nice guest room. If you want to come visit me, you know, comment down below. Comment down below, man. So this one comes with a bathroom, as I said. And the cool thing is that the bathroom actually leads to the hallway as well, man. So this is the bathroom, man. And they give you everything you need, man. You got soap, you know what I'm saying? You got everything. Savon, you know what I'm saying? Serviette, you know, you got a bunch of stuff over here. Dryer. It comes with a, I wouldn't say standard shower, but this is actually a decent size shower right here. You feel me? Walking here, man. So this is the decent sized shower. Wash your ass. And then the toilet is right here, man. So something really standard, but very nice, man. This is a nice penthouse. And something that I didn't know, because this is my first time being in Tulum, is that the properties here are very nice, man. I'm definitely interested in investing in some real estate out here. But yeah, man, nice decorations. You feel me? Nice little decorations right there. Key holders. Of course, this penthouse comes equipped with a standard washer dryer. Everything is in Spanish, which is great because I get to practice my Spanish. So this is a nice little desk area to work. As you can see, my laptop is there. This is the kitchen, standard size kitchen. I noticed that whenever I'm traveling in like Latin American countries, a lot of their fridges have the same type of style. It's like very small. I think it's cool. The kitchen has an AC unit in here, which is dope. Got some dragon fruit, got some organic fruit that I cannot get in the US. You know what I'm saying? Because, man, don't get me started on that. But yeah, standard kitchen, very nice. I think this is marble or granite, I'm not sure. I'm not really too familiar with interior designs of home decor, I don't know. Standard stove. You know, I mean, this is nice stuff, man. I'm very thankful to be here. And I want to thank all of you guys that support me, that have either watched my videos, that allow me to train you, that have enrolled in my master course, where I teach students how they can manifest this stuff by making money online through their own business. So thank you for supporting me. Even if you just watch a video. Thank you, because this is what makes all of this, you know, possible. So it comes with 3 standard bar stools, man. Got some nice art over here. I got my 528 hertz playing in the background. Dope art right here, man, for real. Dope art, man. So I say Louis. This is on me. Standard couch. This is the area that I probably in the most, man. I just be chilling out here, you know, some getting work done, stuff like that. Consultation calls with clients, whoop-de-whoop. So one of my favorite parts about this penthouse, of course, is the ceiling to floor windows. I love big windows, and you can open this joint up, yo. You can open this up, get some fresh air. This joint is nice, man. The pool is over there. The pool's over there, and the hot tub is over there too. But this is one of my favorite parts about this spot right here, man. It's big ass windows. So this is the first floor. This is downstairs. Very standard, very clean, modern, zen, very peaceful. I've definitely been enjoying myself this month in Tulum, man. I'm definitely liking Mexico. So a couple of you have been asking me basically what is the difference between Medellin, Colombia and here in Tulum. So for me, what I've noticed is that price-wise, they're still both pretty affordable. Over here, I would say Tulum is more chill. Tulum is more for somebody that has a girlfriend that want to come here, relax, you know what I'm saying? For plaisir, you want to chill. Medellin is more so for like fun, club, and you can still do all the different excursions, go on different tours, go see the land, like the museums, engage with the locals, stuff like that. But here it's more Instagrammy, touristy, girlfriend, boyfriend type of vibe. It's chill. Here everything closes early. I'm not sure if it's because of COVID, but everything closes at like literally 9 to 10 p.m., which in my opinion is kind of, you know what I'm saying, like that's kind of whack. In Medellin, in Colombia, you can get in trouble because spots don't close till like 6 in the morning, you feel me? So here is more a calm, tranquilo vibe. So now I'm gonna take you guys to the master bedroom for the master upstairs, you feel me? So let's go. Alright, so that's just showing bottom. This is the master bedroom, man, for the master. So this one, the master bedroom, man, I'm sure you back later, you feel me? I'll show you back later. So this is the master bedroom at the top. This is one of the nicest rooms I personally stayed at, man. This is crazy. So I'll see you guys over here. Now one thing I noticed about this penthouse in particular, it's a bunch of different light switches for a bunch of different things. So we got lights right here, we got lights over there to the fan, we got lights right there on the little desk, we got lights everywhere. So it has a very nice vibe at night. We got different lights that are dim, different lights that are like super bright, and if you want to set the mood, you definitely can, you feel me? So take it over here, we got a king bed, and listen, typically when somebody films videos like this, they get their spot ready, it's nice and polished and manicured. I'm not doing all that. This spot is lived in, you feel me? I'm living in it, so, you know what I'm saying? Bed is a little bit dirty, cool. But this is a king bed, which is what I need because I am 6'5", so the issue with me traveling a lot of times is they don't have beds that can accommodate me. Because even some of their king beds, my feet still hang off, which is very frustrating. So that hurts my back. So yeah, this comes with a king bed, you know, standard ceiling fan. We've got a AC unit over there. Every room in this apartment has AC because Mexico is humid. It's like Haiti. I think it might be worse, but I'm not even sure. TV. And this was the selling point for me. This is why I chose to come here. So, you know what I'm saying? This was the selling point. So on the balcony, you know what I'm saying? Tiene un jacuzzi, a jacuzzi, you feel me? So this is the lounge area, jacuzzi area, man. Come here, bro, and just chill, you know what I'm saying? Run some water. This jacuzzi fits about 2 to 3 people. Don't ask me how I know. You know what I mean? We'll come here, guest area. Typically, what I do is every morning I come out here, I meditate, I do like my breath work, and I thank God. I thank God that I'm able to even be in a position to where I can do this and travel so much, because you guys know my story. But that's a dope view. I love all the vibes over there. It's the golf course. You know what I'm saying? Got a golf course over there. To the left is the pool and the hot tub. But ain't no need because I got my own hot tub right here. You feel me? So yeah, man, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Now I'm gonna take y'all to the bathroom to conclude this tour. So this is the master bathroom right here. Very, very, very nice, man. This is one of the nicest bathrooms that I've had. Very, very nice, man. Again, I'm not too familiar with like home design and all that stuff, but but it's nice, man. You feel me? You get the point. So, you know, standard bathroom, wipe the hoop, nice big shower. You can fit like literally 5 or 6 people in here, man. Again, don't ask me how I know, but but you can fit like literally, you can fit like five people in here. You know what I'm saying? And just chill. Honestly, sometimes I come in here and I like sit down on the floor and I'm just like in hot water, and I be in here for like an hour just like thinking. Really very relaxing. So nice big shower, man. It's got 2 hoses or whatever you call it. It's nice, man. La vie est vraiment douce, oui. Si on travaille dit, man, la vie est douce. Par exemple, nous pas faire dans la vie ça. So this is the walk-in closet. Has a sliding door, man. So this is the walk-in closet. Yeah, nice, man. Very spacious. Lots of space in here to have all your stuff. Typically, when I travel to a different country, I don't bring too much stuff because I like to shop a lot. So, like, I buy a lot of stuff. And you know, everywhere I go, I gotta have my Haitian flag. You feel me? I gotta have my Haitian flag. So, but yeah, man, this is pretty much it. So, some words of wisdom for y'all, right? For all of my entrepreneurs out there, or people that have a special skill, or people, just anybody that is aspiring to network and offer your services or products. So whenever I'm in a different country, I always bring like 300 business cards, because every country I go to, I run through these. So you probably do look good, you feel me? If you're in shape, you look good, you smell good, chances are people are gonna be looking at you, especially if you're in a different country, you're gonna stand out, right? So for me, I stand out. Something that can help you is if you have your business cards, people will be walking up to you and will want to talk to you. So if you have your business card, you can network with them, engage with them, and who knows, if they need your service or product, you can help those people. Just give them your card and now you just made a new client. So that's some words of advice for y'all. That's something that has worked for me. Something that has really elevated and expanded my network of people is having my business cards on hand. Being articulate, being in a position to where I can present my offer so that I can help somebody. It's all about helping people. It's not about taking advantage of somebody, but having your cards readily available, it's helped me a lot. This is the spot, man. This is the penthouse that I'm staying in Tulum, Mexico, man. Gracias a Dios, porque, you know, man, la vida es buena. La vida es buena. Gracias a Dios. Parce que eu pas comprendre, man. Depuis me lever, my travail chaque jour, my travail dit. So yeah, man, it's been a privilege. It's always been a dream of mine to travel the world, stay at dope places, eat good food, meet dope people. I'm really grateful to be able to be in a position to be doing this, man. So again, if you guys want to learn how I'm doing this, I've been very transparent throughout the whole process. Click the link in my description below or comment section and enroll in my self-made online master course where you can learn how to monetize your passions or get a passion to where you can monetize it, create a business, serve people, help people, so that you can have time freedom and location freedom and just freedom to live your life and do whatever you want to do, man. So with that being said, I love y'all, but I gotta go, man. I gotta go. Peace.